Hello again everybody, and again we've got another Suzuki Jimny JC Sierra. This is a 2005, so it's as new. It's a delivery mileage vehicle, automatic, and in this particular case, obviously you can see this car is grey, and it's just another one of about 6 we've got. I think we might even have more than that. We might have 8. They're being purchased and I'm being updated with the vehicles as they're being bought and made available. So the description of this vehicle is below. You can read the specification, although we always target the highest spec version, which is the JC Sierra. This basically comes with the proximity keys, electric folding heated door mirrors, parking sensors, lanes protection. If you look at the top of the windscreen in the centre, you'll see where the sensoring system is located. They come with a very high spec: heated seats, lanes protection. The list is endless, but it's all listed. I've got it all down in the description below, because what I want to try and explain with this particular video is that we've got, as I said, 8 of these in stock in various colours. We've got 1 or 2 manuals, but manuals are very hard to find. They're like, for every 75 automatics you'll see in Japan, there'll be 1 manual. So the background to this is that this is an unorthodox way of ordering a car, buying a car. This is not like walking into a garage with a price on the windscreen and you pay the price with the dealer's retail profit. I'm providing an opportunity for individuals to safely buy these cars direct from Japan at the trade export price, the same price I would pay. Now, this will generate a saving for my customers. On the current market, it's now the 15th of April, these are selling for in the region of £30,000 in the UK. I'm offering these vehicles on the road at around 22,000. Depending on the colour, there's certain variations. What I don't quote for in my on the road price is UK road tax, which I believe now is 220, and I don't also quote for inland delivery from Southampton, and the reason is simple: because in advance I don't know where my customer is going to be located. I have customers on the Isles of Orkney, and it costs you some money to get a car up there. And I've also got customers actually who work in the docks in Southampton, so it'll cost them nothing. They can walk to the bondage yard or to the garage that prepares the cars. So I provide this opportunity for individuals to buy these cars direct from Japan at the export trade price, the same price I would pay if I buy the car myself. And to go through this process, you first start by appointing me as your agent, and you have to put in place either a holding deposit if the car is already in stock, or what I refer to as a bid deposit, and that's where we often search for cars direct in the auctions and cherry pick them in particular colours or manual or auto, and then we bid for the cars in the auctions. And in that scenario, my customers put a deposit, lodge a deposit with me, that appoints me as your agent. All agents in the UK are appointed. If an agent hasn't got an agency appointment form, he's not an agent. That is quite important. I am not a car dealer. I do not own these cars, therefore I have no bias towards any particular car. In fact, it's a bigger advantage for me if my customer walks away very happy, smelling of roses. This helps me no end. So basically I'm out to get the best results I can for my customers. It helps to fuel the business, oils the wheels, as I put it. I trade on reputation of the cars I supply, and I've been doing this since 2004. That's now just gone over 21 years that I've been operating as Jap-Auto-Agent. So this particular car is available as I am recording this video. It's in grey. It's in a moment we'll see what the mileage is. Just as the top of my head I can't remember, but most of them are coming in with say 10 kilometers, and so this is about what, six miles on the clock. So to all intents and purposes these cars are as brand new. The production line in Japan is working at full production. They're shipping them out to the Suzuki dealers. The Suzuki dealers haven't got the space to store the cars, so they just register them immediately and then transport them off to the auctions, because some of these auctions can handle 15,000 cars. Lots of storage parking space, so it's easier for them to store the cars in the auctions. They run them through, we can bid for them and buy them. So and so I'm providing an opportunity for my customers to go to the fountain of supply and buy these cars. And as I said, we're carrying a number in stock as well, so there's usually we're trying to get a variety of colours. This being grey, I've got another one like this just at this moment in green, but I don't think that's going to be around for long. We've got another one in citrus yellow automatic. We've got another green manual, but that's a slightly older car, but again delivery mileage, but it is an older car. And we've also got a white one, which is a manual. And I'm just having a quick look at my list, and I've also got a black one. We've got a variety of colours, so feel free to get in contact with me and ask me any question you'd like to ask. I'm quite happy to answer them. As I say, it is an unorthodox way of buying a car, but the savings my customers will make are in the region of £8,000 on the UK retail price at the present time. Who knows what the future brings? As many of you know, the background to this is that Suzuki are no longer supplying this particular model in the UK. We bring them in and we have to run them through an IVA test before it's a visual inspection carried out by the VDSA, who work under the Ministry of Transport. So if anybody is interested in this particular vehicle or any other of these, there we go, 17,000 kilometers. That's 10 miles, or just over 10 miles. This car has actually done. So get in contact with me. I'm Paul. Speak to you soon. Bye bye.
We are a UK-based personal car import agent trading since 2004. We have a proven track record supplying thousands of Japanese cars direct from Japan to customers throughout the UK. Working as your appointed agent for a fixed commission, we provide a 4-step personal car import service. This is an opportunity to cherry pick and safely buy the best high-grade, low-mileage cars direct from Japanese car auctions at export trade prices for personal import to the UK. You will make large savings on UK retail prices while buying the best quality cars available in Japan. It's a genuine win-win opportunity. Before the auction starts, background checks and hands-on inspection are carried out by the Japanese staff. Under Japanese law, any accident history or mileage discrepancy must be declared by the auction and shown on the auction report. The truth is, the best cars normally stay in Japan. They are bought by Japanese dealers for resale because the best cars will pass a strict Japanese roadworthy test, known as a shaken. Shaken failures are seen in Japan as fit for recycle or export. Many turn up in the UK without the auction report to maximise the dealer's profit margins. So it's vital to see a genuine translation of the auction report before the sale starts. Once we have found a particular car, we next arrange our hands-on inspection to confirm the condition matches the auction report and take a large number of photos. Keep in mind, we are not car dealers buying and selling for profit. Why supply bad cars when it's just as easy to supply a great car from the fountain of supply and simply keep adding to our long-established superb track record? Check out our customer reviews or head to our YouTube channel found on our website to see the quality of the cars we supply. To learn more, pick up the phone and speak to us direct without obligation. Ask for Paul. telephone 01625 560 505 or on mobile 07989 560 505. Our email sales@japautoagent.com.